Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord brake pads. First, gather your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Next, safely lift your car and secure it on jack stands for stability. Then, remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for replacing your brake pads. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by unbolting the two caliper guide pins, usually 12mm or 14mm bolts. Once loose, carefully lift the caliper off the rotor and secure it without straining the brake line. Then, simply slide the old, worn brake pads out of their mounting brackets. Inspect the rotor for any deep grooves or damage at this stage. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. Use a C-clamp to slowly compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, insert the new brake pads, along with any new shims, into the caliper bracket. Finally, carefully reattach the caliper over the rotor and tighten the guide pins securely. After installing the new pads, pump your brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston against the new pads. Double-check your brake fluid reservoir. Add fluid if it's below the max line. Reinstall your wheel, lower the car, and take a careful test drive. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Drive cautiously for the first 100 miles to properly bed in your new pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.